Subscribe to this channel for free by pressing on the red colored subscribe button and get the latest update of this channel by pressing on bell icon. Welcome to channel Zoboto, and today we gonna unbox Redmi Note 7 Pro, which is of Nebula Red and 4GB 64GB edition. So let's get started. So here is the Redmi Note 7 Pro by Xiaomi, and here is the box of the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let's take a look at the box. Let's see the back side of the box, and here you can see it is written 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 625, and here you can see 16 centimeter, that is 6.3 inches full HD screen with notch display, and 4000 mAh battery. And here you can see the version, that is Nebula Red colored, 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, and it is written here made in India. So let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. So let's open the box. And let's check it out, what is in this. So you can get a cover, a transparent cover with this. It is a silicone case and it is foldable. And here is our mobile phone. Let's take it out. Let's keep it aside and let's see what's inside this. So you can get some manuals and a warranty card, and here you can get a SIM tool ejector pin. And let's keep it aside and let's check what inside this box. So here you can get a charger, and the input is 340 volts and the output is 5 volts 2 amperes. And here we can see a USB cable. I think it's Type-C cable. So let's check out this cable. So here we can see this cable is Type-C cable. It is not a micro USB cable. Generally Type-C cables are used for the fast charging, and this mobile also supports fast charging of QC4. Now let's check out the mobile phone. Let's take it out, and here you can see the front side of the phone, and it is a Nebula Red color, which looks quite good. And Here is this SIM slot, a hybrid SIM slot. That means you can put your SD card as well as your SIM here. It can get opened by SIM tool ejector. And here is this fingerprint scanner, and here is a flashlight which is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. The back side is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. And here is the 48 megapixel camera and a 5 megapixel camera. In the front you will get 13 megapixel camera, and here is the speaker. In the above upper side you can see a 3.5 mm audio jack and a IR sensor. That means you can use this mobile as remote for your AC or your any appliance like TV, etc. And here you can see a power button and a volume rocker. Below you can see two speakers are there, two speakers outlets are there, and there is type C port present, and it looks quite slim. So let's turn on the mobile phone. So it is turned on. It's showing Redmi, and here you can see Redmi Note 7 Pro by Xiaomi, and it is turned on. So I have set up the mobile phone, and now you can see the notification bar and the notification icons over here. There are many customizations that you can do with this. You can set many themes and change. You can add transaction effects and all. I've made one tips and tricks video of Redmi Note 7 Pro, so you can watch that video. In that video there are many tips and tricks that I have shown for the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video and share.